Can you put that on? Just clip it on there. Well, if you want to come in the yard, you got to put that on. That's the only rule. The lights on?
I got the door that we took off this one. Oh no, but you want the other door. See,
Passenger door.
All of them, Michael.
They are all on that.
Are they? Yeah. Are they maxed out, or are you being cheap with?
Yeah, no, they're maxed out. Yeah, because we're just doing this one up, right? Yeah. So we took this door off it. I didn't want to. It was pretty minty.
Yeah, mine's passenger door.
Go ahead. It's okay.
Yeah.
Pretend I'm not here.
Yeah.
I have a door skin for it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. All this stuff's on our YouTube channel, so it's no big deal. It's all out there. It's not like a TV show or nothing.
If he's got a problem with camera, he's 5 years too late to say he's got a problem with it.
Oh, but here, okay, well, you guys can take as many pictures as here. Let's go look at the hood. Okay.
Try and buy something off him. We need a transaction today for the YouTube.
On that one, we had one of the rocks came off there and we smashed it. So we're supposed to be driving this to the East Coast in 2.5 months. Coast to coast. We're going to go to Vancouver, have some oysters, hop in the car, and head for lobsters. Wow. So where are you people from? Oh, yeah.
He's our future son-in-law.
Oh, this is all the same group then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Well, not those two, but we are.
Oh, yeah. And where are you guys from?
We're from Manitoba.
Me too, St. Boniface.
St. Boniface? Good
Yeah,
to
I
meet
was
you.
born there in 1957.
We live at Wawanesa. Did you ever hear that?
Wawanesa Insurance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where it was founded.
Oh, yeah. And then, isn't that what Warren Buffett, didn't Warren Buffett end up owning Wawanesa? Or isn't that the one with the stag? Or was that the...
No.
No.
No, what was the one with the stag, right? There was anyway, just a...
Yeah.
We're 30 miles southeast of Brandon.
Oh, yeah. No, my grandparents used to have a little summer resort in Notre Dame de Lourdes.
Oh, yeah.
So we'd go out there when we were kids, take the train to Brandon and pick us up and drive us down there.
Cool.
So my dad worked for CP. Yeah, they didn't do that. Now they put us on the train, 12 years old, no parents, and the conductors would watch you all across.
Oh, yeah.
Not now, right? They
exactly.
just now they don't do it.
I watch you all the time on TV. I can't get enough of it.
Well, there's another 8 episodes coming out.
In the fall.
Yep.
In the fall.
Well, yeah, wander around if you want to hear. Let's go look at jump. There might be another hood over there too. I'm not sure.
I got the original SS Powell head, so
Oh yeah.
I just fixed that because it's a little nicer than that. But I made a little pile here. I don't know if you want to perk with any of it.
Probably not.
Maybe not. Let us take a shot.
Right? If it's off this car, no. Because like I said, basically, nope. No.
Console, dash
But good luck.
Figured, but you never know. Right?
No. Like I said, I just ordered $1,000 worth of front fenders for it.
Fair enough.
Right?
You said you have a trunk lid possibly on that white one out front, possibly, or this one.
There might be. Actually, yeah. Well, Buick's the same. There could be one of the pile. Yeah, because this is an original Buckets console car.
Yeah.
And there's the original console out of it. So
I figured, yeah.
Because otherwise, I'd be going and spending $700 to get a repop.
Exactly.
Right. But anyway, good try. But no. At least you didn't just load it up into the car. Same thing. The dash pad.
Pretty good shape for.
What color's your car?
It's got a blue interior right now, but I'm putting a black one in it.
Because I might have another dash. I'm not sure. I'd have to look. Well, are you guys from here? You're from Kamloops,
From
aren't you?
Kamloops, yeah.
Okay, well, let me look, because, I might have 2 other 70
The
Chanel
seatbelts
dash
and
pads.
stuff.
Oh, yeah, seatbelts, too, yeah. No, what we just did, we put 3 points in.
Yeah, I'll just buy new seatbelts anyway for the safety aspect.
Yeah, well, yeah, but these are just lap belts, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's
I'll just buy new ones.
Yeah.
Because there's no point in putting all those used ones in.
Hang on, okay, we've got a trunk lid on the white one, but there could be another 68.
Yeah.
Everything's so organized, right? What's this?
I was looking at that. I didn't pull it out, but it looks like a Chanel.
Hang on, grab that out.
Looks like it.
I think there's 2 of them. Is this not one too?
Possibly. I can't see the frame.
Is that one different?
Yeah, it's different, I think. Well, maybe not.
Oh, hang on, let you see. That one, no, that one's different, but I'm pretty sure that one's Chevelle.
It looks like it. Looks like the same body line on it.
Yeah.
Not bad though. What'd you want for that?
$100 today only.
Sounds good. You take that.
Yep. There we go, Matt. See, transaction. I'm just doing it because Matt wants to travel. That way I don't have to take anything off. But I mean, might have one more. I don't think so, but I mean, for a good one, I'd want $300. Just because, right?
That's better than mine. Mine's all dense.
Yeah. And that's one little patch or a little bit of fiberglass. Let me just see if there's anything else I know.
You have any mirrors when they kick around, would you?
What?
Mirrors?
Hard to find, and the repop ones, telling you now, are garbage. They're junk. Right, I bought one for my 60. Oh, what's this one? Is this not a Chevelle? Right there. No, it's worse, but I think it's a Chevelle too, but it's worse, right? It's gone at the lip.
Yeah, this
Okay.
one's. I'm happy with this one.
Okay.
For that.
There you go. That's what we like, happy customers. Anything else?
Let's check my list. Did you have any seats?
I only got the set for my car, and I paid $900 to get a set of cores, right? Because
Fair enough.
69 to 72, or let me just take one look over at Kansas City. Yeah, I mean, I just ordered almost full. No, I'll be on to see Kansas City. Hang on. Matt, where are the Chevelle seats?
You guys from Germany?
Yeah.
Where? Hamburg? Nice.
You ought to see it on TV.
Wow, you bet. Oh, and if you got grandkids, check out our YouTube.
Oh, okay.
We have 180 videos out now for what we've done in the last three and a half months. So all these cars.
yourselves on there.
What?
I said maybe we
Right, well, you just
You
might,
sure
yeah.
will. You sure will.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Of course.
I don't even know what we did with the seats for that car now.
What do you mean? It's not those?
No, they're white.
Why does it feel like
I
there's
got
more?
so much shit I don't even know.
I don't know what the top ones look like.
No, these are like 69 Firebird, right? Because that was the first year. I mean, the ones you... Man, there's two of them.
If you weren't sure, that's the 69 Firebird seat section.
Shut up.
I do, just in case you want an original console, I do have one.
Okay.
But it's from a Camaro.
If it's
coming.
the same bolt-in, possibly. Yeah.
I'm not sure. I gotta see.
Depending what you want for it. Possibly.
Mo trained by Mike. Kidding.
Where the hell are the seats?
I don't know. This is fun though.
No, it's not fun. I'm losing my friggin' mind. I know we would have taken them somewhere, but there's a set of them for the Chevelle.
Where would you have put them? Into a seat?
That is a good map. If I knew where I would have put them, I would have found them by now.
Sea can?
Maybe out in Kansas City here. Let's just. Man, there's a set of buckets. They're like white and green. They're like 69 to 72s. See, those are like 60. These ones are 66. Right, steel back, no flap.
So this is like the 66 seat section.
Yeah, shut up.
There's a white seat there, Mike. I don't know.
Oh,
That's or not.
That one, no, that one's a Mopar, right? You can tell by the curve. This is Mopar, this is Mopar, this is Mopar. This is another 66. See, like 66 to 72 are almost the same, but 66 didn't have a stop. 67 has the steel back and a stop. 68 has the stop, has the button on the side, and then 69 to 72 has the release button right back there, and they got headrests. Hang on. Let me just phone blur. Yeah. Yeah, well, there was none, but we had bought that pair that were going in. No. No, the white ones are for the f***ing Dodge. We had the ones with the headrest with the buttons in the back that I ordered upholstery for. I just don't know where we put them because they're not in the shop. Those are 66 and 67 seats. I was just trying to show him which ones he's looking for, and I can't find either of them. Nope, just looked. Hang on.
Did you look in the container?
We wouldn't have stuck them in the container.
And not the Atco trailer?
Atco trailer, no, we couldn't have got them there. How would we have got them to the Atco trailer? Oh, there we go. You're observant. Okay, I found them. Now see, these are the ones you want. Like that.
See, that's the 60
69 to 72 seat.
section. This
Right,
is-
because these are actually green and somebody dyed them white, right? So I'm going to dye them black because I got black upholstery coming. But yeah, I had to get these from Manitoba actually. Buddy of mine says, hey, I got a set. What are you doing? Well, you just can't find them.
Yeah, they're hard to find for sure.
Yep. So these are the ones you want.
Blair's still on the phone.
Oh, is he? Blair, we found them.
Hey, I'm gonna go back to paint it.
Okay, you find my paperwork yet?
I've got the box open. No, I will, if I have it.
Okay, well, you told me you had it. If not, it's false representation.
It doesn't mean I have it.
Let me know. Ciao.
Okay, make a deal.
No, I'm not making a deal. These are going in my car. I had to ship them from. They came from Manitoba. I got mine.
So what's the point of bringing him around everywhere?
Well, just so he could see what he's looking for, because he doesn't know. He's got 70 Camaro, which are a high back. It is 1 year only, but I don't have a 70 Camaro, but I do have a 70 Chevelle convertible and another hardtop because I need another set for that one. Like there should be a set of black seats somewhere for that car, but I don't know. Matt wants to see the money change hands. Hey there.
I guess I could do it.
Wait.
Holy moly! You aren't sending this to Trudeau, are you? Thank you.
You said you bring cash, right?
That's
You don't have
right.
anything
Well,
to
I'd like to take more than that, but yeah, but it doesn't matter. At least you got something. That's one more piece out of my yard.
Exactly.